Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to save your Instagram login information. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Head over to your phone and find the Instagram app. Tap on it. Below your screen, you'll find your Instagram profile. Tap on it. At the top right-hand side, tap on the three lines. Tap on Account Center. Go downwards. Tap on Password and Security. You will see saved login. Tap on it. Now over here, you should turn this button on. That way, whenever you log in, your Instagram detail information will be saved. So here it says, we will save the login information for Grafted Technology to your device's cloud backup. So I can tap this on and that's it. And if you want to remove your login information, all you need to do is you follow the same step. And when you get to this point, you tap on it and then it goes off. You see there, it says remove, and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking, subscribing for more tech tips like this. I'll see you in the next video.